what's going on? So we just made it, and we are going to be working on this 1984 Fairmont, and it's a pretty cool car. We're going to be doing a full detail on it, and what I mean by full, I mean full. So this thing is going to have to be reworked. It looks horrible. It's got tar on the back, but this car is very, very special. It's actually a stunt car, so which is pretty cool. So we're gonna give you a walk around, gonna let you see what we're gonna be working on, and a lot of different things are gonna need attention on this, so it's not gonna be a typical detail. So on this car, as you can see, we're gonna be dealing with tar and really burnt rubber, a tire that's on the back of here. It's gonna be one thing. The other thing is gonna be this trim. We're gonna try to polish that out. We're gonna be addressing these wheels. We're gonna try to clean up this lettering. We're gonna address these wheels here. Then, on the outside, we're gonna be decontaminating it, polishing it, and then after that, laying a coat of wax on here. So, with this, also, we're going to be getting off, as you can see, this dust that's on here, that's concrete. So we're going to be getting that off as well. So as you can see. So I'm going to be getting that off as well. So this is the before. All right, I'm going to put the camera on a tripod, and then we're going to get into doing a paint correction on this stunt car. Here we go. So, since this is a single stage paint, I'm going to be using a certain type of polish that's used for single stage paints. It's your choice of what you're going to use. I'm going to be using a dual action polisher, and the way that you can tell that it's single stage paint is by paint transfer. Paint transfer is basically like, let's say if you take a rag and you rub this with it, if it's a wet rag and it turns green, since this car is green, you know it's a single stage paint. Clear coat doesn't do that. So anyway, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, and put another one. Just make sure that it's pretty even. It ain't got to be perfect. It ain't got to be pretty. So, going to tap, 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 tap. I'm gonna run it slow, and then I'm gonna speed it up. And by running it slow and spreading around, I'm priming the pad. And then after the pad is primed, then I'm gonna crank it up and go on a cross hatch pattern. So here we go. As you can see, it pretty much already disappeared. So now we're just gonna wipe it, then we'll repeat through each section of the car. So let's go into the time lapse. So just got finished working on the stunt car, and did a full detail on it and gave it a good polish, a good wax, and then went over all the trim and polished out all the stainless steel trim, and then finished it off by polishing out the aluminum wheels, and also did an extra set, and they turned out awesome as well. So about to go show you what it looks like after, underneath the shop lights here, and before it heads out. So just made it in to the hotel tonight from where we're working, and yeah, so going to call it a night.